Welcome to Working Mom Plans. I am Kate. I do plan with me's and planner related videos. In this video, I'm going to decorate this title page because it's very blank and hope to give you ideas how to decorate your own title page. I hope you stick around. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you give me a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you think. Also, subscribe if you are new, and I hope you share these videos with your friends. So, I think one of my recipe plan with me is back a while ago. I said I needed to decorate this because it seemed very plain for me. This is part of the recipe book that I use to meal plan. So I basically copy whatever recipes I have scraps of and put it in there, but also any recipes from books that I use a lot of to meal plan. So I have some cool washi, but I'm not going to do like I did my washi art. Something similar, but not quite, because I already have this here. So I was trying to find some cool washi, but also I kind of wanted to do is put washi down to break up a lot of these food stickers, because I don't usually use food stickers a lot unless I'm doing one of these things. So I am trying to figure out how to, so I'm just laying these down and playing off a whim. So one thing is that being creative doesn't always include a plan. Sometimes you just like, okay, I know I like to use these tools, and then I am moving forward. So that's pretty cool. Alright. I want to figure out, do I want to do a one big angle like this? Now this is the Scotch brand ones I got from, I can't remember where I got this. This might be a Paper Studio, because some of the Paper Studios in our collections just have rain. So I'm just going to pull one of each here. Just randomly lay it out. And then I'll see where else I want to put washi, because these stickers are pretty small. Alright, I'm feeling it's pretty close for me. Oh. Hold on. Let's move this hot dog over here. There we go. I don't think I need more washi. This is pretty thick, and it's enough. I just wanted to break it out. And these little candies. Anything else? Anything else? Alright. So there's that. So sometimes it is hard to, so I got this one done, but I wanted to show examples. So in the family planner here, my homebody, so you can see that Happy Planner has already decked this out. So it would be very little to decorate this page if you wanted to. Where other ones, like my health one here, yeah, it has decorate, but you can easily put stuff around it and emphasize it. So there's some where it's worth it and some that are not. So let's get this. These are recipes I need to redo. So here we go. And there, it looks a whole lot better. It's all about the food. And it looks nice in the recipe plan thing. So, thank you again for watching. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.